Hiya, you alright? Something different today. Flowers. Roses are red, violets are blue. Here's a red rose, here's number 2. Yeah, Lego Creator, 40460. Roses, 120 pieces for the set. I think you've got to agree they're really quite effective, aren't they? Just 2 in the pack. This is one of a little series. 40461 is tulips, and you can also get a bunch of flowers, which is a little bit more significant. But for 120 pieces, you know, they're quite a good job, and they do look like roses. Shiny pieces, perhaps could have just done with a bit more of a satin finish, but quite happy with those, yeah. Effective thorns, a couple of petals on each one, leaves, and really sturdy stems. So if you want to stand them in a little vase, you can do, and that's what our lass has done. Got a little vase of tulips, which are artificial. And if you can find the way in, so these are just on the sideboard. Just like that. Really quite effective. Got the tulip set as well. So I'll do that, put them together. But for the price they are, nice little present. Little bit of a building. Lego always being innovative and looking for something else to do. And you can see that flowers are going to develop quite a lot. And the big bunch of flowers is that'll be a job to do and to display. Yeah, roses, 40460.